Shopify hit me with this notification. 10,000 order milestone, claim your reward. That's over 26,000 items I've sold in the first 5 months of a brand new store with the help of AI. Back in 2013, I jumped into POD, mostly focused on the US market, purely based on the fact that the size of a good niche over there is the same size as the entire population. And over the years, I've seen the same patterns repeat. The biggest wins don't come from genius designs out of nowhere. They come from paying attention to what's blowing up in real time. News cycles, cultural moments, huge events. When the world gets loud about something, people want merch that speaks to it. With the help of AI, I started this project with that exact mindset late last year. I was watching the headlines, I was keeping an eye on the sentiment, and I was testing fast. The early days were slow. I was barely getting any traction, but I was making enough sales that kept me in there. I kept on testing, and that's when things changed. It wasn't easy. I was too reactive at first. I was waiting for big spikes instead of planning. Designs fatigued fast, ads died when I wasn't refreshing creatives. The biggest blind spot was underestimating the size of the opportunity, especially when you listen properly. Thought, market's crowded. Turns out, when a massive event or news story hits, demand explodes for the right angle. The logistics nearly broke me. There was so many orders coming in that staying on top of customer service was almost impossible, and the orders would pile up. Post-holiday dips, started questioning everything. But I fixed that by asking what's trending now? What's the sentiment? How can I test quick? Daily short-form tests convert fast. What I mean by that, I had a social media strategy that I'd strapped on as well. And in the background, I was building retention with a proper email system, which is now a huge revenue driver. The shift was simple. Tune in harder and listen to what's happening in real time. Watch the news, events, cultural shifts. Test designs that speak directly to what's happening. One big moment gave a boost, but real growth came from consistency. Daily testing, quick scaling, and planning ahead. This morning's 10,000 order ping, proof that listening to the world and acting fast turns a side hustle into something serious very quickly. This principle works all around the world. 3 lessons from 13 years in print on demand. The best niches aren't invented, they're found. Scan news, holidays, events, trending conversations to see what is happening in real time right now. Your ultimate goal is to find something that makes people feel something. 2, test fast and cheap. Validate before scaling. The beauty of print on demand and the style that I teach is that for a small budget, you are finding your winning designs. Then, when you do find those winning designs, you don't need a massive budget out of the gate. You are using the profits from your winning design to reinvest and scale that even more. That is where the real money in print on demand is made. 3, consistency and timing beats everything. Daily action on what's current compounds quickly. I broke my own excuses. Too busy, market's full, too late to start fresh. But with everything that's going on, I still built this quietly. You can find your niche the same way. And with the use of AI to bring it all together, the consistency, the planning, everything becomes that much easier. If this fires you up, do one thing today. Open the news, spot a trending story or idea, and brainstorm a quick test design. There are so many events across so many different niches that are happening right now. Comment below, what's one current event that's happening right now that could be your niche? Smash like if you're taking action, subscribe and ring that notification bell, and stay tuned for the next video on Print on Demand. See you there.